Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Axon Body camera not connecting to Wi-Fi. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so fix number one, check power and charging. So ensure the camera is fully charged. A low battery can cause connectivity or syncing issues. Use an official Axon docking station or charger. Now, fix 2, verify Wi-Fi network. So ensure the Wi-Fi network is 2.4 gigahertz. Axon cameras don't support 5G, not hidden or required to log in via web browser like public hotspots, within range and has a strong signal. Fix 3, restart the camera. So power off the camera using the power button. So hold it down for 3 seconds, then wait 10 seconds, then power it back on. This can often resolve temporary connectivity bugs. Check Wi-Fi credentials. So if your camera uses manual or agency configured Wi-Fi, make sure the SSID and password haven't changed. Update them via the Axon Device Manager if needed. Use Axon Device Manager ADM. So connect the camera to a PC via USB, open Axon Device Manager, then go to Wireless Settings tab, re-enter or update the Wi-Fi network settings, then save and safely eject the device. Sync using dock. So place the camera into the Axon dock. It may automatically sync firmware or reset wireless configs. Leave it docked for a few minutes to allow for back-end updates. Reset wireless settings. Now this is if needed. So on ADM or while docked, request a wireless setting reset via your agency's evidence.com portal. Admin level access is required. Then reconfigure the Wi-Fi as new. Check for firmware updates. So while docked, the camera will auto check for firmware updates. Outdated firmware can cause connection issues, so ensure your agency has developed or deployed the latest version. Factory reset. This is absolute last resort, so only do this if all else fails with approval. So admins can perform this via ADM. Note this will erase all unsynced data on the device. Number 10, contact Axon support. So if none of the above step work, call or email Axon technical support. Have your camera serial number and error behavior ready.